and get your glow on. Tag me in your Boys Beloved products and click that link to receive a discount on your first purchase. So let's get started. I was on Pinterest looking for some wall decor that I could possibly make out of Dollar Tree products. I happened to go over to YouTube and found the Wendy Lee YouTube channel, and she actually made the same galvanized pots. So I decided to make two of my very own. Here are the items that you need. Please use what you already have in your house so you cut down the cost of this DIY. First, I used a piece of cardboard that I had already in my home, and I cut it into more like a V-shaped piece. I needed two pieces because I was making two wall decors. Trace and cut out as many cardboard pieces you need for your decor. Next step is to actually place your traced out cardboard on the oak tag and just simply cut out a rectangle square that's a little bit more bigger than the actual cut out cardboard, as you see me doing here. It makes it easier to fold over the cardboard when it comes time to create that oak cover. And I took a piece of oak tag paper and just folded it over. Once you've hot glued the oak tag paper to the cardboard, all you have to do is cut around and cut the excess oak tag off the sides. Then I took a piece of twine and just glued it at the top so it would give it a rim. So here's how I closed off the bottom of the wall decor. I just simply cut two pieces of the oak tag and folded them in, and then glued and folded the bottom oak tag. I kept thinking, how was I going to hang this wall decor? So here's what the two handles look like once I finished cutting them out. Painted it with a dark gray paint that I just made from black and white acrylic paint. And then I added the silver paint over it, just dabbed it with a sponge. To give it that distressed look, I just added some rust color paint over the silver. Now here are some of the flowers that I used. Berries from Dollar Tree, some petunias from Dollar Tree as well. And I also used some pansies, which I thought was so pretty in that dark magenta. And this was my first time using Queen Anne's lace. So let me show you real briefly how I decorated the galvanized DIY wall decor. I just added some flowers from Dollar Tree. I have that big tropical leaf in the back from Target, which was $3. But I added the petunias, I added the berries, I added some other little white flowers that I got from Dollar Tree. And I separated the berries because it was easy for me to just place the berries where I wanted in the flower arrangement. And I thought it came out amazing, guys. Just take a look at how the flowers just pop. All the purples kind of like go together, but those petunias are really what made it gorgeous. And I'm always a person who decorates with neutral colors, so the purple was definitely something to do. Now here is what it looks like a little bit up close. And I thought it was amazing, guys. Just with a little bit of adjustment. Now, when I hang it, I'm going to adjust the flowers a little bit more exactly how I think it should be. But I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. I also made some different color arrangements so you would see how the pot would work with other colors. Take a look. And here's the finished look. Isn't she lovely? I think she's pretty. And see how I popped the flowers out to hang over so they appear to look more real. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you hit like, comment, and subscribe on my latest DIY video. Thank you for watching Lifestyle DIYW. It's Nikki here, and have a great day.